y'all, what's up? It's your girl Ashley, and today we are doing this spring Easter pink look, and it's a very simple tutorial. There is actually only 3 shades on the eyeshadow portion. Also, while you're here, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Ashley, and as you can tell, I have lightened my hair a little bit. I kind of was getting bored of the solid brown black hair color that I naturally have. It's a crazy time in the world right now, and there's a lot of things that can bring us down. Focus on yourself, stay positive, stay healthy. Make sure you're doing the most to stay healthy and keep everyone around you healthy. We're going to be doing a spring 2020 look with the Jackie Aina palette. I haven't done a video with this palette yet, but I've done some looks with it on my Instagram. But this palette is amazing. It was made for women of color, and it's just such a beautiful palette. First things first, we're going to put an eyeshadow primer. We are going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer, and I'm actually almost done it. So we're just going to put a little bit on each eye. So to get started on this look, we're going to use the color Supreme, which is this gorgeous pink shade up here. I love the names of her shadows in this palette. They're pretty awesome. So just apply Supreme all over the lid. It's very pigmented, as you can tell. Jackie Aina is one of my favorite YouTubers, and I was just so happy that she came out with this because I love Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. Okay, so now that we have the pink on, we're going to put on some highlighter up here in the brow bone. We're going to be using the color Trust Issues, which is this white holographic kind of shade right here. So I'm just going to take the same brush and grab some of that shade right there. And we're just going to highlight the brow bone. What I like about Trust Issues is that it blends into whatever color you're putting it over. So it kind of turned this pink into like a nice shimmery holographic shade, and it's not as white as it is in the pan anymore because it blended in with the pink. Okay, so now that we have the pink and the highlighter right here, I'm not going to be doing multiple shades on the actual lid because I'm kind of digging this solid color. So we're just going to highlight some points around the eye. So now I'm going to put the shade Dwollahs, which is this nice money green shimmery shade right here in the inner corners of my eyes. We're going full on Easter springtime here with some pink, some baby greens, some baby whites, So I'm just going to take a small brush and we're going to take some of Dwollahs. And we're just going to put that in the inner corners. You can already see it. This is my favorite shade in this palette. I use it with so many looks because obviously you guys know I love greens. You can also add a little bit of Trust Issues in there if you want it to be even more brighter. Just mixing them together will make the green a little lighter. So now I'm going to take the same brush and just brush off the shimmer a little bit and put some of the Supreme Pink along the bottom lash line. So we are done with the eyeshadow. I know that was really simple. It was only 3 shades in the Jackie Aina palette, and that's all you need for this look. So we're just going to complete the look with the details such as the eyeliner, eyebrows, and lashes. So let's keep going. So I'm just going to take a break from the eyes and go to the brows. Ever since I got my hair dyed lighter, I started using a different product on my eyebrows. It's still Anastasia Beverly Hills, but usually I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in Ebony as well as the Dipbrow Tinted Gel in Ebony. But now I switched over and I use the Brow Wiz in Chocolate. I'm more a fan of the Dipbrow, to be honest, but the Brow Wiz does offer a lot of control. It's a very fine pencil. One thing I find annoying though is one, it doesn't last very long. I use Dipbrow, I know this sounds gross, I use the same Dipbrow pot every day. I didn't even finish it till now for almost 3 years. And it never dried out because I would always close it tightly. But I've used this chocolate pencil probably for a month or so, and it's already almost finished. It's a lot more expensive to use Brow Wiz pencils. And then I also switched over to the matching chocolate Dipbrow Tinted Gel. So I just like to brush them out. I just waxed my eyebrows this morning, so I really like the shape of them right now. I like to first start in the front and just create the shape. One thing I also noticed is that if you drop this, the lead just cracks instantly. There is no hope. So first I line the shape, and do a little bit of filling in. I don't really fill it in that much. The only thing is the front of my brows, I want them to be more closer together. That's one eyebrow with a pencil. Yesterday I actually just ordered 2 shades of the Fenty Beauty brow pencil, so hopefully they last a little longer and I like them. So that is the brows drawn in. So I'm going to put a little bit of the gel. Okay, so we've applied the gel. I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell they look a little lighter than they did before, which I really like. So now we're going to go back to the eyes. We're going to be using the Tom Ford dual-ended liquid eyeliner with the... Yeah, my hands are too sweaty. So I'm just going to take an olive green pencil. This is the Milani Liquid Eye Liquid Like Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm just going to put this on my bottom waterline. So right now we're going to put on some mascara, and then I'm going to get to the lashes. So we're using Benefit Roar Lash, little sample that I got with one of my orders from Sephora. So I don't know if a lot of people know this, but I think a lot of people do, but I didn't know it for a few years. The best way to keep the lash curled is to apply the mascara all the way from the root of the lash after you curl them. If you're blessed with naturally curly lashes, then power to you. You don't really need to curl your lashes, but I'm not. So now that the mascara is on, I'm going to apply my favorite lashes, the JC Luxury Lashes in RIRI. Feels so weird having lashes on my eyelids again. Okay, so now that the lashes are on, we just gotta do the lips and then we are finito. So I'm going to apply Anastasia Beverly Hills and KATHRYN to my border of my lips, and then I'm gonna add a lighter color in the middle. So we have that on the outside, and then I'm going to apply the Shu Umura. This is when they had the collaboration with Super Mario. I love the packaging, and we're just going to put that in the middle. And then lastly, we're going to put some BECCA Cosmetics lip gloss. This is from the CHRISSY TEIGAN collaboration in, I don't know, it's all faded off, but it's the light brown color, and I like to put this over shades to make it a little lighter. So I'm just going to put that here. Okay, and this is the final look. I hope that you guys liked it. It is a nice pink, rosy kind of look. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel down below. Also follow me on Instagram at itsyourgirlashley for more looks. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!